Yay! Hi guys! We're here in Hatta Dam. Mag-participate kami sa 30 by 30 Dubai Fitness Challenge. Nasa Hatta Dam kami for stand-up paddle. Yay! First time ko maka-experience ng stand-up paddle. So, we'll see. Andito kami sa parking. So, nagbiyahe kami for 1 hour dito. And then ngayon, mag-aantay kami ng shuttle papunta dun sa dam. Look at the mountains. Okay, dito na kami sa shuttle going to Hatta. Okay lang kayo dyan, guys?
Yes.
Ready for the paddle?
Yes, for the paddle.
Paddle. Hindi. Siguro sa unang passenger ka. Oo.
You can participate in free Hatta kayak sessions throughout
Hala, yung natin. Yung code.
with bookings
Booking.
available subject to availability. So first come, first served.
Pag wala, may message naman.
Oo nga, yung code. Ayan. Registration.
Hindi kami love. Lan na.
Ay, ano mo nga, Kels?
Birthday mo, hindi. Baka magpakain pa kasi.
Alas 4 to eh.
Oo. Habol sir, pwede pa.
Abang ka, yes sir ka, hindi siya pwede dito. Kasi alas 10 pa yun i-register ko.
Baba na kami ngayon. Hi, great. This is the life jacket. Ha? Magbuka tayo life jacket. Yung damit mo yan. Small?
This one is okay?
Small?
Small.
Ano? Hindi man.
Right, so for the last SUP event for the day, beautiful weather, this wind and the weather now is much better than 11, 12. So
Yeah.
you've made the right choice. As you walk towards your SUP that you will go, you will see that you're slightly elevated from where the SUP is. Right. Please don't try to step from the pier onto the SUP. The SUP will be in the water and it's quite slippery in the sense of it moves. Right. Right, so you will be getting to the water after your SUP. Sit like this with your feet on the SUP, nice and relaxed like this. Right, you will see that there's a leash at the back. Put it around the foot that's closest to the leash. Just nice and tight. There we go. So from here, you're going to get into the board in a kneeling position. The middle of the board is indicated by the handle. You want to have the handle between your knees, right? Try to, from the beginning, when you get onto the board, not to be in a sitting kneeling position. Try to be in this nice, strong kneeling position. Reach as far as you can in the water and pull once. Maybe try kneeling position. Use the paddle to stabilize yourself. And you're going to stand with one leg first, then the other. And as you stand up, lean forward and do not try to straighten your legs. So very important, guys. Go out there. Amazing time of the day. Nice breeze blowing through your hair and your face. Enjoy and have fun. And especially when you fall off, have fun. That's what
Thank you.
enjoy.
Oh my God. Parang kinakabahan ako. Good luck. Let's go. Okay, this is your ride. Woo! Tapos na, nakakapagod. Yay, may nalaglag. Okay, how's the experience?
Nerve-wracking. Nerve knees. We have nerve
Knee rocking.
Knee rocking.
Nakakapagod. Ayan, ang nalaglag. And the winner is... And that's the best thing, enjoy the fall.
Experience?
The experience is so nakakapagod but very adventurous and I love it.
Yeah.
I will rate it as 8. Maybe if there's a chance to try it, some tutorial, and you know, I will try it. I love it. Yeah,
For 1,000 euros.
full day. Full day, yeah, that's fine.
Oh,
Bigyan mo na ako ng ano? Bigyan mo na ako ng 1,000.
Ayamanin friend.
Hindi, ako yung babayaran ng 1,000.
Oo pala.
Ganyan ka, Sel?
Ay, hindi.
Ganyan ka?
Ay, hindi naman. Hindi ako ganung level.
Uy, nag-open mo ka dyan.
Pabalik na kami ngayon kung saan kami nag-park. 5. 5 daw? Kuya! Sa other shutter kami. 5. Sagmak na lang. Ayan guys, nandito na kami ngayon. Kakain kasi nagutom kami. Yay! Napagod kami sa kanina, sa paddle. Kaya, here we are. Dito kami kumain sa restaurant sa Hata. Bawal ang buo. Kailangan barya lang. Barya Restaurant. So guys, they're so very kind here in Barya Restaurant. So here's Kuya.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. You're
Thank you.
very so
Nice to
kind and
meet you.
very accommodating. So
Welcome.
yes, please.
Like and subscribe.
Yay!
Welcome. Salamat.